Q&A time. So Sandra West was asking on YouTube about the levels of VIP status at the shop and what were they, or how much would have to be spent to achieve VIP, Diamond VIP, and Royal VIP. So first and foremost, when you purchase anything from the shop for the very first time, you're a brand new customer, we give a DIYmoon pouch and stickers. That's for any first time purchases. And then on your first 6 kits purchased with us, you get a drill pen. This time we have currently the unicorn drill pens in various colors. It might change in the future, but right now we do still have the unicorn drill pens as the gift for the first 6 kits purchased. After that, it is between 10 to 20 orders depending on the amount per order that you make. It could be less, it could be more, but basically on average 10 to 20 orders, that gets you VIP status. Obviously, it's like, with any frequent flyer program, the more you fly with a particular airline, for example, the more points you get, and with those points you can exchange it for goodies and privileges. So in our case, the more you purchase with us, the more points you get in a way, and that then gets you the reward for each of those levels. And the reward for the VIP status is you get a key to our secret shop, and that is a store that has other items that is not available to the rest of the public. So you get to see items that somebody else who is not a VIP customer yet will not see. For example, does that make sense? So and then after that, you then become a Diamond VIP. So it's basically double that amount, and that would be a Diamond. So between 20 to 40 orders would be a Diamond VIP. And then we double that again, and that then becomes the Royal VIP status. And so those are the different levels of VIPs that we have at the shop. Now for a Diamond VIP, the privileges that you get are first dibs on any of our limited edition kits. So before they're released to the general public, we usually update our Diamond VIPs with the specific information as to what time, what date those items will be released. And at different times, we actually give them the privilege to pre-order a limited edition kit before it's even released to make sure that they don't miss out on it. And for the Royal VIPs, obviously, before the Diamond VIPs get the updates on the latest at the shop, we update them first before anybody else. So it's basically just like a tier level, and this is just our simple way of saying thank you for supporting the shop, for shopping with us, and our way of letting you know how much we appreciate you guys, and just to be able to say thank you in many different ways, and hopefully making it fun in the process. We don't like to give a particular amount as to how much you should be spending at the shop, because Reggie and I believe that it shouldn't be about like reaching a particular status and buying only to reach that status, because we want you to be buying kits that you really do like. And obviously if you do like the shop and you keep buying from us, that means you like the shop, and the reward will come. It's all about the hobby, it's all about the diamond painting, and the reward is just, sort of like icing on the cake. It's not the entire cake. And I guess we just want everyone to focus on that, to focus on the diamond painting instead of, just the rewards. So hopefully that makes sense, and hopefully that answers your question, Sandra. Once again, if you guys have any questions pertaining to shop, our products, or, anything about diamond painting, if there's any kind of tip that you are requesting to find out about, then just let us know. Comment down below, and we'll try to answer that in the next vlog in video format, so it's easier to explain and also easier, I guess, for everybody to digest as well.